Hey, my name is Chloe Sens and I'm a special effects makeup artist. Today I'm going to turn Sam into Smash Sally. So first part of this look is blocking out her eyebrows. Next, I'm going to start mapping out where my highlights and shadows are going to be. This part's a little bit difficult and takes some thought, so I really try and think about where the light source is coming from. I used a light and dark foundation to help me map out where everything's going to be. The hardest part of this look is finding out where your highlights and shadows are and creating the illusion using light and dark. Now I'm going to kind of sharpen up my lines and create more cracked effects. I'm going to be using my airbrush to help push the gradients so that they're smooth. Next, I'm going to be creating the doll eye. Next, I'm going to be applying the fake lashes. After I put the top lash on, I'm putting on a bottom lash and creating a false waterline underneath to make her eye look bigger and more doll-like. I imagine this doll a lot like Chucky. You don't want her there, but she keeps coming back. So when you go to bed tonight, just make sure you watch out for Smash Sally.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell for the newest makeup transformations from Beauty Well.